Welcome to another Elelwyn candle relaxation. Today's relaxation will be short and sweet and simple. As with any relaxation video, it is strongly recommended to wear headphones for the stereo effect, to be in a comfortable location where you feel safe, secure, and relaxed. And finally, to ease your mind and go into the relaxation with the idea that it will work. It's amazing the power of belief on the body. Once you have found this comfortable space, we can begin. Today we will be focusing on your breathing. Breath is an involuntary reaction. However, it can be controlled. You can choose how long to inhale and exhale, and you can hold your breath. However, it's not something you must consciously think about. It is something that happens automatically. However, there can be great benefit to consciously thinking about your breath, as when your body is in total control, your breathing could fluctuate based on your circumstances. For example, one might take shallow breaths if they're anxious or scared, and not taking the deep breaths means not getting the same oxygen, means not exhaling as deeply, and therefore removing less carbon dioxide from the body. So today we're going to focus on the simplest and most basic task of breathing. To start, we're going to breathe through our nose. I will breathe with you for the first 2, and then I will simply count for you. We're going to do this 10 times. So for the first 2, I will breathe with you. And for this, always use your nose. In, out. I hope you did it right. I used my mouth because I needed to talk, but you should use only your nose. Let's try again. In, and out. Alright, now I'm going to count for you 8 more times. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. 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 You can continue breathing at this rhythm if you wish, or simply return to a natural state of breathing. This is called equal breathing and is a technique employed in certain practices in yoga. The idea is to balance your breathing and kind of balance your mind as well by counting and ensuring your breaths are equal. You must focus on the numbers and on your breathing. If you're focused on these, you are not focused on racing thoughts. Once, long ago, I was told that racing thoughts were in some parts of the world called running monkey syndrome, because it was like a herd of wild monkeys running through your head and causing havoc. By breathing like this, inhaling on a count of 4 and exhaling on a count of 4, you can calm your body physically through the benefits of concentrated breathing and focused breathing, but you can also calm the running monkeys by focusing on numbers and balance instead of thoughts. Now I will try one more technique to help you be consciously aware of yourself and your breathing. So, for this one, if possible, place one hand on your chest and the other on your stomach or your abdomen. And I want you to take a deep breath in through your nose, making sure that only the hand on your stomach works. Only that one moves. The hand on your chest should remain perfectly still. I'll try it with you. So you focus on stretching out your stomach. Bring the breath as deep into your body as you can, like so. Of course you can't see me, but the top hand on my chest didn't move as I breathed. So, we're going to do this 10 times, and we're going to combine it with the equal breathing technique, but this time I'm going to extend the count to 5 so we get deeper, longer breaths. Okay, I will count for you and we'll do 10 of these. And in 2, 3, 4, 5. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5. And now you can return to your normal breathing. However, I will say that breathing into the diaphragm and into the abdominal area does activate certain nerves within the body that make your body calm down. So even when you're breathing normally throughout the day, remember, or if you do remember, try to remember to breathe into the deepest part of your stomach, even if it's not incredibly deep breaths like we just did. This way, you can feel more relaxed on the whole, even if things are stressful. The part of your nervous system that calms you down will be consistently activated. And now, my friends, breathe easy, even during these holiday season times. And until the next video,